up, babes? Welcome back to another video. We're gonna hop straight into this tutorial. I got cars riding by, airplanes over my head, child, but we're gonna get this voiceover by any means necessary. So as you guys can tell from the title, this will be a hair review on this Wig Dealer hair. I got 3 bundles of exotic curly from the Wig Dealer, and I'm also showing you guys how I blend the hair with my natural hair. I normally do a heatless method, but I wanted to show you guys me actually putting heat in my head, and just because it's pretty trendy now, and I'm just going more in depth from all the tutorials that we see on social media. So I'm using some Chi heat protectant, and then I'm using a 3/8 little curling barrel to wrap the hair around, and I'm putting my hair and the weave together to give that natural look. So nevertheless, let's hop into this hair review. So like I said, this hair is from the Wig Dealer. It is 3 bundles of 18, 20, and 22 inch, and later I actually purchased another bundle of 22 inches because I thought the hair wouldn't be full enough. Boy, was I wrong. This hair is very much full, very much giving a lot of life and love, as you guys can see on your screen. Definitely had to squeeze in that 4th bundle, but it's okay because I like big hair, and that's exactly what this hair is going to give. So I originally purchased the hair for around, I think it was like $230 that I paid, and that was with free shipping. There was a sale going on for like Memorial Day or July 4th, and then there was another coupon that I had, so it took the price down, which was perfect. The shipping was 2 days, and when I say it was 2-day shipping, it was exactly 2-day shipping. I am in Canada, so for it to get here that fast, I was very impressed. I didn't have any issues with getting my package. When I took the hair out of the package, it was super soft, like extra buttery. I was literally obsessed with it. I didn't even want to dye it. Color didn't quite lift as much as I wanted it to. I left it on even longer too, and it didn't lift as much as I wanted to, but I wanted to do it without bleaching the hair because I didn't want to lose the curl pattern. Even if it's good hair, I just didn't want to take the chance. I actually have a sew-in in my head now, and I had to dye the hair again so I could lift it, and it lifted to the color that I wanted. So I might have to, you might have to dye it twice if you don't want to use bleach like I did. Going on to actually installing this hair, it was very easy. The wefts were very thin. I didn't have any shedding or tangling off the initial. Once I actually put the hair in my head, the first install I didn't have any shedding. The second install I did like a half up, half down, quick weave, and I did have some shedding after that because I did cut my wefts, but still not too much. It's supposed to be curly hair and it's supposed to tangle. We all know that, and baby, she didn't tangle at all. Like, I barely get any snags. The most that I get are at the nape of my neck, but it's not like out of 10, it's maybe a 2, and that's just me being honest. I do put some Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle on there with a little bit of water to define my curls. I don't do too much. I don't like a lot of product on my hair, and for for good hair, you don't need that much product, but you just need to, sometimes you gotta make it pop a little bit. So that's what the 3-minute Aussie Moist is for. Other than that, like, this is my 3rd time installing the hair now, and it's been like 2.5 to 3 months, and I love this hair. I'm obsessed with it. It does get a little frizzy though, so you might have to, find the product that helps with the frizz, but other than that, child, it's amazing. After I finish doing my hair or the blending, I spray it with a little bit of hairspray, and that's it. Like, I can wear this hair like this for at least 4 or 5 days. I do work out, so my hairstyles get a little bit more, worn out faster just because I sweat so much. I've always wanted to order this hair. At the time, I didn't really have that much money, so I couldn't really, order how I wanted to, but now I'm just trying hair that is just gonna be lasting and not just 1 or 2 installs. And I've seen so many people, like social media influencers and stuff with the hair, but we already know how that goes. So I'm super excited that I actually ordered this hair. If you ordered this hair or tried out from this company, let us know down in the comments section. Leave any comments, questions, or concerns down there. Thanks so much for watching, babes, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao.